What's up, everybody? Today, got here my PS1, and we're gonna be taking the B apart. Now there's about 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws. You want to take each one on the sides out, and then in the middle there's 1, 2. So a total of 6 screws have to come out. I'll see you on a bit. Alright, onto the last screw. Flip it around, beat it a little bit. Grab the screws. Now we're going to flip it this way. We're going to lift. Now, you can't see. Hold on. Try my best here. You got all your internals. Over here's the disk tray. And here's the power stuff. Right here is your memory cards. There's a bunch of screws, but we're not taking it fully apart. What you want to do, there's some screws here, 2 of them. Get this off, and then you gotta pull this plug right here. This comes out easy. Just lift up, pull, and pull. It's like the easiest piece in here. And then what you do, I'm just gonna teach you guys the whole stuff on how taking this apart. And then you want to come over here, pull that, turn this, and lift up. And then pull out. Now you want to come over here, screwdriver. You want to take this out. Now the golden screws, remember, will go on the inside. I messed that up one time. What's this? The golden screws go inside, and then comes right off. Here's your memory cards device. Now you want to come, not break it. Now you want to come over here. There's 2 screws that holds this board in. You want to come on over here. You got 1, and then 2. Now you take this and you lift up, and there you go. Now this system does work. It does work. I'm just doing this tutorial to teach you guys if you want to take yours apart. Now we got 4 screws to take out. We got 1 here, 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 and here. You want to take those off, and we'll be up to the other, and we'll be at the motherboard. I'll see you guys in a bit. Last screw. Alright. Now we set the screwdriver down, and we want to lift up on this piece right here. This is the piece that we just took off. And over here is the motherboard. This piece, this lift up, comes right out. This piece, to get this completely off, you only got like 4 screws. Let me get them out real quick. We'll be right back. Alright, got the last screw. Alright. Then you lift up, and there's the motherboard. And over here is the heat shield. Lift that, comes right out. And then you got this piece. Overall, these are all your pieces. Putting it back together, reversed. I'm gonna do that, and then we'll end it off as it put back together. Give me just a few minutes. Just now, screwing it back together. Before I put it back, cleaned it up a little bit. for when I get some games. I got the Slim also. That's good. We need to be cleaning soon. It's the only two I really can take apart pretty well. Self-taught. Taught myself this. Last screw. Alrighty. She's back together. And yes, this is busted. It doesn't hold up like it used to. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Peace. It works.